appreciate it. Chords are yours, etc., etc. One more thing. Make sure a copy of this goes to Kyle King at Kent King and Bailey. What are you doing here this hour? Oh. So what brings all this on? I mean, not that I'm complaining.
Well, I woke up this morning and I realized that you and I haven't seen each other in days.
So you missed me. Well, it's good to hear.
And you haven't missed me?
Maybe a little.
A little?
All right, maybe a little more than a little.
Well, that's better.
Truth of the matter is, I've been so busy, I haven't even had time to sleep.
Yeah, you look tired.
I'm tired.
What's been taking up all your time?
Well, I have a couple of tough cases. You know, lots of research.
Well, anything I can help with?
Yeah, there might be one thing you could help with.
Name it.
Stop distracting me.
Is that what I'm doing? Oh, now, Jack, my goodness, I would never, never, never want to do that to you.
Look, Erica, if you have something on your mind, just come out with it.
I have something on my mind. I came here to see you. Is your neck bothering you?
Yeah, I've been hunched over that desk so long, I could probably get a part-time job as a bellman.
Oh, no wonder. That's what makes you so crabby. Up here, let me help you. Oh, let me help you get these kinks out.